sinasabi nila, it is harder to make someone laugh than to make someone cry. Totoo ba yan?
Let me debunk your thoughts.
Okay. Yes, please.
I agree. Partly true, partly true.
Okay.
Mahirap talaga kasi magpatawa kaysa magpaiyak. But looking at our comedy kings like Dolphy and Vic Soto, it entails a different kind of talent to be a comedy actor of the year.
That is true. That is very, very true. And maybe it's much harder to shift to comedy if you're already an action star. Because aside from being one of the top action stars and dramatic actors in the industry, our next awardee is also idolized as a comedy actor. Well, of course, he's done this in his movies and the television remake. His comedic charms also captivated the Filipino viewers for sure. Kaya ito na. Congratulations! Comedy Actor of the Year, Ramon Bong Revilla Jr.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Janet Magdita Mendoza. Accepting the award is Congresswoman Lani Mercado Revilla. And Congressman Jolo Revilla.
Thank you very much. On behalf of Senator Bong Revilla, who's not with us, I am with my son, Congressman Brian Revilla. Si Brian may walang buhok, si Jolo may buhok. But anyway, I'm sure si Tolome ay tuwang-tuwa sa award na ito. Pasensya po at wala po siya ngayon. He's indisposed. Kasalukuyan po siyang nag-recuperate from his Achilles tendon operation. Inaalay po niya ito sa lahat po ng kanyang mga supporters at nagpapasalamat po kami sa Guillermo Mendoza Scholarship Foundation Incorporated, sa lahat po ng judges at jurors. Isang pagkilala po ito, sa totoo lang po talaga si Senator Bong ay natural na komedyante kasi sa pagiging mahusay na action star. He also would like to dedicate this award to the staff, to the crew, to the writers and his co-workers, sa walang matigas na pulis, sa matinik na misis. This is an affirmation that mahuhusay kayo na nasa likuran ng show na ito. And of course, to Miss Beauty Gonzalez, who of course portrayed the role of Gloria in the sitcom. Congratulations. Ito po ay para sa Panginoon, ito po ay para sa aming pamilya, at of course, lahat po ng tumatangkilik ng mga projects sa telebisyon at ganun din po sa pelikula. Maraming salamat po, Guillermo Mendoza Memorial Award. Salamat.
From the same TV sitcom, Walang Matigas na Pulis sa Matinik na Misis, our comedy actress of the year has surprised her followers of her comedic talents because she happens to be also one of the best dramatic actresses we have on television. Please join me in welcoming the comedy actress of the year,
Wala, natawa. Oh my gosh, kinakabahan ako. Ay, maayong gabi inyong tanan. Good evening to everyone. You know, I've been doing drama all my life. In real life, and also in front of the camera. Kaya nagulat ako, of all things, I'm receiving an award for comedy. But, kaya, I mean, you know, siguro nakakatawa talaga ako. So, thank you so much. But, Ayan, tumatawa na kayo. But deep inside, it makes me very happy to make you guys happy. So keep on laughing and don't forget that life is beautiful. And thank you so much, Guillermo. Sobrang bonus na on Mother's Day, on my birthday month, I'm receiving one of the most special awards. Kaya maraming salamat. I dedicate this award to Senator Bong and his wife, Ms. Lani, for accepting me and for allowing me to play Gloria. Alam ko sobrang hit yung Walang Matigas na Pulis na Matinik na Misis dati. Pero thank you for allowing me to speak Bisaya on TV. Nakakatuwa, nakaka-proud na nakakapagsalita ako ng Bisaya sa TV. So maraming salamat sa lahat ng staff, sa lahat ng crew, sa directors and the writers. Maraming salamat. And to my Becky Aguila family, thank you so much. And Bambi, I love you. I love you, Bambi. Thank you.
Ending our special comedy block is a very special Lifetime Achievement Award for comedy. This was named in honor of a comedy icon, Bert Marcelo, I should say, who was a very special friend of the Guillermo Foundation. This year, the Bert Marcelo Awardee has already proven himself to so many as a comedy star of his own. From a sidekick to very minor roles, he was able to stand out and eventually start in his own movies and films, which is very well indeed in the box office. Ladies and gentlemen, this year's Bert Marcelo.
It's hardworking members and jurors, mga kasama sa industriya, ladies and gentlemen. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. I am deeply honored and grateful to be selected as the comedy actor of this year's Box Office Entertainment Awards. Malaking karangalan po para sa akin. At when we adapted Walang Matigas na Pulis na Matinik na Misis from the silver screen to the boob tube, we sought to bring that blend of action and comedy, uniquely Filipino, to a newer generation of viewers. Kaya nakakataba po ng puso ang naging pagtanggap ng mga manonood. At napakagandang bonus pa nga sa pagkilalang ito na binigay niyo po ngayong gabi. I am truly humbled at nagpapasalamat po ako sa lahat ng sumuporta sa Walang Matigas na Pulis na Matinik na Misis. Na talagang hindi nila pinantanan na manood ng ating sitcom. Hanggang sa aking mga kasama na mahuhusay, ako nagpapasalamat din. And congratulations din kay Miss Beauty Gonzalez, Best Comedy Actress of the Year. Beauty, congratulations. And of course, nandito si Nino Mula, kasama ko. Ayan, no?
Hello,
Ayan.
congrats, Chef! Congrats!
Okay na. Sige na. Pwede ka na. Ayan, at kila Dennis, kila Max, sa lahat po na kasama natin. At syempre, sa mga magagaling na actress na kasama natin at yung mga makikising na actor. And of course, kay Direk Enzo Williams at sa mga iba pa natin kasama director. At nagpapasalamat din po ako sa lahat ng mga production crew na kung hindi dahil sa kanila ay hindi magiging posible ang Walang Matigas na Pulis sa Matinik na Misis. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyo. And of course, bumubuo ng GMA, maraming salamat. At sa lahat ng mga tumuto, mga talagang all-out support. Maraming salamat. Love you all. Ito po si Bong Revilla. Nagpapasalamat sa inyo lahat. Ako yung nagpapagaling muna. At ako yung naputulan ng tendon. But may awa ng Diyos. Mapapanood mo ulit ako sa silver screen o sa television. God bless you all. Ito po, si Bong.